Generate dialogues with AI. Enter the tone and style instructions. Enter the dialogue. Speaker 1 is voice 1. Speaker 2 is voice 2. Choose the voices. Generate dialogue.
I am telling you, this is the best coffee in the entire city.
That is a very bold claim, considering we have only been here for 30 seconds.
Trust me, I have done the research. I take my caffeine very seriously.
Okay, I will trust you this time, but if it's bad, you are paying for lunch.
Deal. Get ready to be amazed.